In this video, I will be demonstrating the mnemonic restore process on the Jolt hardware wallet. My currently backed up mnemonic produces this nano address, starting with 1ASW. I will next perform a factory reset to simulate a new device for me to restore my mnemonic on. We can skip through the setup process since we will be restoring our backed up mnemonic. For this new mnemonic, different addresses are produced. To begin the restore process, first make sure your Jolt is connected to a computer and the console is running. Then we go to Settings. And finally, Mnemonic Restore. A random index will be displayed on the Jolt screen. On the computer, enter the word at this index. We are entering the mnemonic out of order in case the computer has been compromised. It is computationally infeasible for a hacker to try out all the permutations of the 24 words. Once we are done inputting all 24 words, the device will prompt the user for a new PIN. Now that the restore process is done, we can check out our Nano account and see that the same address starting with 1ASW has been produced.